Alright, motherfuckers, welcome back to another week of shittiest whiteboard content on YouTube. Now, if you've been watching these shitty whiteboard videos over the last several weeks, for some reason, I've talked a lot about going to the gym. So I've been going to the gym a lot recently, and I know that it doesn't look like that because I look like a scrawnier version of Keith and the Try Guys, except my friends all stay loyal to their wives. Now, I've been going for a long time now, and with all of the lazy douchebags deciding to make it their New Year's resolutions to go to the gym, I thought I would share some of my copious amounts of knowledge on the gym with you. Welcome back to Keith's Knowledge Corner, and today we're going to be going over how to go to the gym. The first thing we need to cover is attire to go to the gym. The reason that attire is so important in the gym is because it shows what you're really trying to put in effort-wise at the gym. So if you go in with like a raggedy, barely washed fucking t-shirt with beer stains and wing sauce all over it, everyone there knows that you're just there so that you have an excuse to go out every night, drink with your buddies, and then not blow up to 300 pounds and die of liver failure. But if you go and wear like an entire Gymshark outfit, you look like a pretentious douchebag, and everyone will think that and think you're a poser, which you are. So try to find a happy middle ground, you know? Try to wear like a nice athletic shirt or something, or like some shorts and sweatpants that hide your boner because you think that you can come to the gym to try to pick up hot gym chicks, which will not work because they're just there to work out. So leave them alone. Please, I feel like I can't reiterate this. The most important tip for that is just don't talk to them. They don't want to talk to you. Just leave them alone. Next up, we're going to talk about what to eat pre and post-workout. So if you're going in the morning, don't worry about a pre-workout meal. Just take some of that crack cocaine they sell at the supplement stores and going down like 70 sets of 135 on your first fucking day and feel nothing because you'll be high off your ass on that pre-workout shit. But if you're going at night, why are you going at night? No, seriously, I mean that. Like, why are you going at night? You're gonna get there at like 6 o'clock, and the only people at the gym are gonna be the 40-somethings that are coming out of work that are trying to sweat off their wine and their nice foods from work that day, like they're in an episode of fucking Mad Men. And on top of that, you won't be able to get the fucking bench because all the washed up high school football players are gonna be there because it's the off season and they're trying to relive their glory days because they've already peaked in high school. So they're gonna be sitting there doing like 1,000 sets on the bench just to go home depressed because they are sad that the best part of their life is already over. Just go in the fucking morning and like down a protein shake and something else when you get home. The most important thing and the last thing we're going to be going over today is what to lift. Now, you're going to see a lot of videos out there that are telling you to go light and go easy and start off small and build that foundation. That way later on, you're able to progress better and be stronger afterwards. But fuck that shit. You're not a pussy and you're on this video, not theirs. Go in there and fucking hammer out a bunch of weight on whatever you're doing. Go do 135 to start on the bench. Go squat 225. Never mind. No, don't do squats. Fuck that shit. Fuck leg day. Go curl like 100 fucking pounds. Who cares? You know why? Because regardless of how much weight you're going to do, at the start, you're going to be sore regardless. You're going to be sore for like a week and a half at least. So like, just go and hammer out the bunch of weight. Fuck soreness. Soreness just means that you're going to be progressing later. Soreness means that you're getting gains, and that's all that matters when you're going to the gym. I mean, sure, you might not be able to lift your arms above your head for like 2 weeks or more, but fuck that shit. Arms aren't needed anyway other than to lift weights and look at when they look big. Basically, all I'm trying to tell you guys is that the gym isn't that scary, so there's nothing to really be worried about. I know that a lot of people are concerned with going to the gym and like how they're going to be perceived, but like legitimately nobody cares. They're just there to work out the same as you. So don't worry about that shit. But also, if you are scared of going to the gym, you're a little bitch. Just go and lift the weights. I'll see you next week.